The other thing I was gonna show is, I think last week or maybe the week before, I demoed coming soon the GitHub app for model Git integration. That's technically live now, and soon to be live is same capability. You can install GitHub app for your DBT integration. So I select the GitHub app, and then if I go to install, I follow this link. It takes me, this is on my dev environment, so this is not the one you'll see. The one you'll see is actually called Omni Analytics app. But you would simply install, you would see the installation ID, which you would paste into the installation ID. Need to give it the repo URL as an HTTPS URL. You can optionally add committer name and email so that you can do commit signing, and it will work for both DBT and your model integration.